Let's go to the medicines module. The concentrations and environmental risks of medicines were measured and modeled under relatively wet winter weather conditions and relatively dry summer conditions. We choose for the summer conditions because concentrations are highest then due to lower water levels. We choose for the middenregen between Rijs and Nijverdal. Medicine concentrations range from about 100th of a nanogram to several thousands of nanograms per liter. The anti-diabetes medicine metformin has the highest concentration, almost 2,700 nanograms per liter, and the contraceptive ethinyl estradiol only 0.707 nanograms per liter. But when we look at ecological risks, then the ecological risk of ethinyl estradiol is 193 times too high because it's a hormone. And anti-epileptic drug carbamazepine is 28 times too high, and the painkiller diclofenac about 7 times too high. When we have a look to the Vecht, close to Hardenberg, then we see the same picture, but the levels are lower because of the concentrations are low. So the ecological risk is low, but it's still too much. And we see the same picture in Germany, just above Neuenhaus. Here you see the concentrations are also lower here. So, but it's the same picture all over the watershed, and even though concentrations in the Vecht, for example, are significantly lower. But the conclusion is that during the dry summer, the safe environmental limits are exceeded in 98% of the river basin. And in wet conditions, this is still more than 68%. So the researchers concluded that for 3 of the 8 substances, carbamazepine, diclofenac and ethinyl estradiol, there is an unacceptable environmental risk, especially during dry summers.